The driving force for creation of Megapixel was we love to solve problems. We love to give people tools that will allow their creative genius to flow.
We love technology. We love creating things that people enjoy using, and we like to make people's lives easier. Keith and I decided that we wanted to build a lot of technology infrastructure that other things could be built upon. HELIOS was really the first product idea that we had from years and years of experience, where we wanted to bring these things together to create an ecosystem.
And when the platform was developed and we started using it, people started hearing about what was going on with Megapixel and the HELIOS platform and wanted to embrace that platform because it made their jobs easier as well.
I was always very interested in creative things. Growing up, I loved puzzles. I was actually a professional magician starting at the age of 11. That was always kind of in the back of my mind of wanting to do something magical for people and to transform somebody's day to delight.
I was previously in retail furniture. I wasn't passionate about furniture. And a friend of mine was involved with a projection company and said, "Why don't you come try it out?" And I went over and I fell in love.
I started building furniture and experimenting with LEDs and kind of accidentally built a really interesting LED fixture. Overnight, actually, it turned from a furniture company into an LED company.
LED displays were very large, very heavy. The processing was extremely basic, and today's technology is such a difference from that. We've introduced our SMPTE 2110 capable 100 gigabit input card. Nobody else out there has even really started to do this yet. Definitely not in 100 gigabit. And this little card is very, very powerful in terms of ingest of video technology. The capability of this in terms of video just leaves everything else in the dust.
We see the future of TVs and screens at home as something that is now like a building material. Instead of putting drywall or ceramic tile or marble, you can actually have a media surface. We've created a new tile platform called Ventana. This is extremely thin, lightweight, and it is the same shape and size as a tile that architects work with. We've completely reinvented how this gets installed. We create simply a magnetic grid. These pucks installed either directly on the wall or onto a frame. There's no connectors, no cables, and then the tiles simply click in. You really have an unlimited canvas to do what you want with. We bring all of these different things together and they can really operate as one.
There's a merging and melding of those disciplines these days. Very much bespoke, custom design, build applications.
Third parties that we already work with say, we want something special. We want it to be emotional. We want you to invent a new technology with us. Everything from designing a custom camera to creating new LED chemistry to make colors that have never been seen before. We've also begun to develop a lot of cloud technology, allowing a single operator to monitor and manage thousands of locations that typically would have needed boots on the ground. You now can do this from your living room.
Our customer base frequently is just astounded because we're always ahead of the curve. This is where we like to hang out.